In this video, you will learn how to hide and unhide worksheets in Excel. In certain situations, you may want to hide worksheets in Excel. Maybe you don't want users of the file to see a certain worksheet, or maybe you just don't want a worksheet visible for some other reason. Excel's Hide and Unhide feature enables you to do this. Hiding a worksheet doesn't delete it, but instead keeps it hidden from view, which you can then unhide if you want. Let's take a look at a couple examples. Here we have a workbook file with 3 sheets: tennis players, basketball players, and soccer players. What if we wanted to hide the tennis players worksheet? Well, one way we could do it is go to the Home tab, then go to the Format down arrow, go down to Hide and Unhide, then select Hide Sheet. You can see that the tennis players sheet is no longer visible. We can also hide a sheet by right-clicking on the Sheet tab. If we wanted to hide the basketball players sheet next, we could go down to the basketball players sheet tab, right-click, then select Hide. Now the basketball players sheet is hidden as well. In the previous examples, we looked at how to hide a worksheet. Now let's look at how to unhide worksheets. Previously, we hid the tennis players and basketball players worksheets. Now let's unhide them. One way we can unhide a worksheet is by going to the Home tab, then to the Format down arrow, down to Hide and Unhide, then select Unhide Sheet. The Unhide Sheet dialog box displays. Here we will have a list of worksheets that we can unhide. Let's select tennis players and then select OK. Now the tennis players worksheet is once again visible. A second way to unhide sheets is by right-clicking a visible sheet tab. So we can go here to tennis players, right-click the sheet tab, and then select Unhide. Once again, the Unhide Sheet dialog box appears. This time we can select the basketball players sheet, then click OK. And now all 3 sheets are visible again. One thing to note about unhiding sheets is that you can only unhide one sheet at a time. So if you have multiple sheets to unhide, you will need to repeat this process. In this video, we learned how to hide and unhide worksheets in Excel. To recap, hiding a worksheet doesn't delete a worksheet, but makes it not visible. The Unhide feature can be used to make hidden sheets visible once again. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how to use the Hide and Unhide feature in Excel. Please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on so we can continue to help you learn new things. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.